Hey there, I'm Josh Stern, and after 25 years in real estate as an agent, coach, trainer, a brokerage owner, a team leader, a rainmaker, I've seen just about everything in this business. Every system, every model, and every new idea. But right now, something truly different is happening in our industry, and I want to show you how to use it to completely change the way you plan, you execute, and you stay accountable to your own goals. We've all heard about AI, but most agents still aren't using it in a way that actually helps them run a business or their life for that matter. So I'm going to be combining the proven models of Keller Williams, the GPS, which is a one-page business plan, the 411, which is sort of your weekly accountability tool, with the power of artificial intelligence right inside of ChatGPT. And it's going to assist you in leveraging AI easily and efficiently to help you to achieve your own goals. So on Wednesday, November 19th, from 12 to 2 p.m. at Keller Williams, join me while I walk you through step by step on how to build your own AI goal setting and accountability assistant. You're going to learn how to design your own 2026 GPS, and that again is sort of a one-page business plan. It's one big goal, usually economic or transactional. There are 3 key priorities to hitting that goal, and then the 5 strategies that you're going to need to hit each priority in order to hit that goal. Then we're going to learn how to turn that GPS into a 411. This tool is sort of the goal unpacking document that we use to actually feed our calendar every single week. So when you show up to the office on Monday, you know exactly what matters this week. Then we're going to use AI inside of ChatGPT to help you create, track, reflect, and stay accountable and relevant at the same time. And finally, it's my favorite part, how to make that AI sound and coach just like me. I've spent 25 years helping agents go from scattered to strategic. So let's be honest, we all know what we should be doing, but consistency and accountability, that is where most agents struggle. So the workshop really does change that. You're going to leave with an actual plan and a personal AI assistant that keeps you focused, tracks your progress, and coaches you from start to finish, and coaches you when you start to drift. So join me Wednesday, November 19th from 12 to 2 p.m. right here at Keller Williams, Utah. It's a working session, not a lecture. So bring your laptop, your 2026 goals, your curiosity, and you're going to leave with a personalized GPS plan, a 411 weekly action tracker plan, and a custom AI system that helps you stay on track all year long. I have helped hundreds and hundreds of agents to simplify their business, stay consistent, and then build the lives they love. This right here is the next evolution of it. So don't miss it. Wednesday, November 19th, 12 to 2, Keller Williams. Build your 2026 GPS, your 411, and your very own AI goal setting and accountability assistant and coach like me. I'll see you there.